Hello everyone from Tech and Fixes. This is the video review of the 1x1 wireless keyboard with multi-touch touchpad that you can use also on Windows 8. It works with Bluetooth 3.0 up to 10 meters. As you can see, it has a aluminum backplate which makes it pretty solid. As you can see, it doesn't bend much even if it's very slim. And here there is the compartment for the batteries. You need two AAA batteries, and here you can put your Bluetooth dongle if you have one. And on the top side there is a power toggle on and off. The touchpad is not very big, and also the keys are kind of small, but they're good enough for your needs. Here on the top right you have three blue LEDs. One is for when you power on the keyboard, the other one is for when you connect it through Bluetooth, and the third one is for the caps lock. And you can use this on Mac, Windows, iOS and Android. I'm excited to use this with the Remix Mini, an Android PC that will come out in October. I will put the link to the Kickstarter campaign in the video description. Now I'm going to show you how to connect it to your Android device, and then it will be over. So you just turn on the keyboard and then you scan and press function C, and as you can see the keyboard appears. You click on the screen, it gives you a number that you have to type in and press enter, and there it is. You decide which keyboard to use. That one is fine. As you can see, you have Chrome. You can just write what you want. Yeah, so that's about it.